Hi, my name is Estav Setyagung. I'm a student of Master of Science in Management, Institut Teknologi Bandung. This time, I would like to present my advanced statistics final presentation under the supervision of Mr. Oni Bibin Bintoro. This paper have a title with Consumer Behavior Study in Buying DVD Movies in Indonesia. Nowadays, almost every digital media product that's sold in the market could be imitated. The advancement of technology made almost every people can create an imitation of the original one with only a slight loss in quality. This fact supports the enormous number of growth in the piracy sector, especially in the digital media. Piracy is a common problem in creative industries that happened from a long time ago. Piracy of movies in Indonesia started in video compact disc era. The copy of protection in VCD can be categorized as low security and people can easily bypass them. The situation is repeated when DVD with its better quality replaces the old-fashioned VCD. The objective of this research is to study the existence of piracy movies DVD and its affection to consumer behavior, since it has become the alternative to consume movies and buying piracy products as already a culture even though it is obviously break the rule and regulation. As a literature review, we have two concepts here. First, consumer behavior, and second, piracy. The consumer behavior is the study of individuals, group, or organization, and the process they use to select, secure, use, and dispose of products, services, experiences, or ideas to satisfy needs, and the impacts that these processes have on the customer and society. By Hawkins et al. 1998. And the second is piracy concept. Piracy can be defined as a copy or duplication of intellectual property without seeking the consent of the owner or author. In this contrast, at a more complex level of counterfeiting, the pirated product is being intentionally built to look genuine. By Tang, 2010. We can look my paper conceptual framework here as the variable buying intention of respondents. We would like to study the relationship with respondent spending per month, respondent movies consumption, respondent purchase frequency, respondent item purchase, respondent occupation, respondent gender, and respondent age. These are several hypotheses. The first hypothesis is there is a positive relationship between respondents' age with buying intention of respondents. Second hypothesis is there is a positive relationship between respondents' gender with buying decisions of respondents. Hypothesis 3, there is a positive relationship between respondents' occupation with buying intention of respondents. Hypothesis 4, there is a positive relationship between respondents' spending per month with buying intention of respondents. Hypothesis 5, there is a positive relationship between respondents' movies consumption with buying intention of respondents. Hypothesis 6, there is a positive relationship between respondents' purchase frequency with buying intention of respondents. The last hypothesis is there is a positive relationship between respondents' item purchase per month with buying attention of respondents. In research methods, we use quantitative methods with Likert scale and the data processed with vector analysis. The sampling technique is the non-probability sampling technique that's used in this research to define the target respondent segment with using the Jasmine sampling. Respondents here, the sample set for this research is 453 people that fulfill the target segment of this research, who is Indonesian citizens with age of 15 through 55 years old and have consumed or making purchase action to movies DVD, whether original or pirated one, and live in West Java region, Indonesia. First chart we can see here is first variable respondents age. We can see first chart is respondents that having 18 to 25 years old, and second is 25 to 35 years old, and last 15 to 25 years old. The first 49% is for the first chart, and then 24% for the age of respondent 25 through 35 years old, and the last 13% of respondents are from the age of 15 through 18 years old. The second chart you can see here is respondent gender. First chart is show that 73% of total respondents are male, and the second 27% of total respondents are female. Next is respondents' occupation. 55% of total respondents are students, and then 22% of total respondents are private worker, and then the last 16% of total respondents are social workers and entrepreneurs. Next, we got respondent spending per month. On this chart, we see 5 categories. The first is 54% of total respondents spend between 1 million rupiah to 2.5 million per month. And the second is 90% of total respondents spend between 2.5 million rupiah to 5 million rupiah per month to buy DVD. And then third is 18% of total respondents spend less than 500,000 rupiah per month. And the fourth is 7% of total respondents spend more than 5 million rupiah per month. And the last 2% of total respondents spend between 500,000 rupiah to 1 million rupiah per month. Next is respondent pirated movies consumption. From this chart, we can see first category is 55% of total respondents stated that they often buy a pirated movies DVD. And then second, 23% of total respondents stated that they seldom buy a pirated movies DVD. And then 13% of total respondents stated that they never buy a pirated movies DVD. And the last 9% of total respondents stated that they are always buy a pirated movies DVD. Next is respondent purchase frequency. Most of the respondents, with 75% of total respondents, buy movies DVD below 4 times per month. And then 27% of total respondents buy movies DVD between 4 to 8 times per month. And last, more than 8 times per month is fulfilled by 8% of total respondents. Next chart is respondent item purchase. Most of the respondents, with 18%, 80% of total respondents stated that they only buy DVD products less than 5 pieces in month period. Next, 15% of total respondents stated that they buy about 6 to 10 pieces per month, and last 5% of total respondents stated that they buy more than 10 pieces per month. Next is buying intention of respondents. This is the more crucial variable of this research. You can see 3 categories of the respondents. Most of respondents, with 57%, buy both piracy and original movies DVD. And then next, 32% of the respondents buy piracy movies DVD, and the last 10% of the respondents buy original movies DVD only. From all the charts we've seen before, we can test the hypothesis with some score by using factor analysis. From the statistical test, we can see the first until third hypothesis with red color here is can be seen by significant hypothesis. The first is the relationship between respondent age with buying intention of respondents, average chi-square, and significant up below 0.005. The relationship between respondent gender with buying intention of respondents, And third, the relationship between respondent occupation with buying intention of respondents. And the next, number 4 until number 7, have a weak relationship with weak significance. The relationship between respondent spending per month with buying intention of respondents have a weak score, and then the relationship between respondents pirate movies consumption with buying intention of respondent also. The relationship between respondents purchase frequency with buying intention of respondent has a weak also. Then the respondents in item purchase with buying intention of respondents have the chi-square and significant low level. The result here we can see after we test with three hypotheses. There is a positive relationship between respondent age with buying intention of respondents. And the second hypothesis is there is a positive relationship between respondent gender with buying intention of respondents. And the last, there is a positive relationship between respondent occupation with buying intention of respondents. These three hypotheses have a positive relationship which can be tested with statistical methods. And the last result, after we test the hypothesis, we can see that some hypotheses are failed that cannot be used in this paper. There is a weak relationship between respondent spending per month with buying intention of respondents. The second is there is a weak relationship between respondent pirated movies consumption with buying intention of respondents. And the third, there is a weak relationship between respondents purchase frequency with buying intention of respondents. And the last, there is a weak relationship between respondents item purchase with buying intention of respondents. After all study and research doing by this paper, the conclusion of overall analysis in this paper are as follow. There is a positive relationship between respondent age, respondent gender, and respondent's occupation with buying intention of respondents. These three hypotheses or three results has a specific result for this pirated movies DVD in Indonesia. The result from the data analysis show that DVD is still the most preferable media compared to other media. Their behavior in consuming movies in cinema is different than in DVD media. This is a reason Indonesian DVD consumer activity that mostly become big trend in this time. The main reason of consumer in buying the pirated movies DVD is a price. Gracias, thank you very much.